Hello and welcome guys to another video, and in this one I will be refurbishing this old Motorola and if you are watching my other videos, you know that I did find it on a local flea market that was last year, and it is sitting in my drawer waiting for refurbishing. As you can see, it is in a fairly good condition, but there is dust inside here. I'm not sure, can you see, but inside of keyboard and behind keypad, behind these keys, and these plastics are dirty, I mean rubbers, and this camera. So I will be I will disassemble it fully and clean it. Plastics with soapy water, and the motherboard and the screen with toothbrush, and with a wiping with some wipe stuff. I'm not the best in English, so let's start. I think these two are T5s, and I believe these two also, and these two here. So this is one of better looking Motorola models. If you ask me, they had a lot of good models that are um, looking really good, but I remember when this was on the market. I would say this is a model that is similar to, I'm not sure, do you guys know model? It is an E398, I think, and this seems like a successor to this model. And also it is similar to SX1 because of these sides buttons. So around half an hour to 45 minutes later, this is phone now refurbished. I'm not as happy as I thought I will be, because there are a bunch of plastic parts, plastic clips that are very easy to break. So I didn't want to disassemble it fully, and I didn't clean it as I am used to doing with other phones. Also, you can see this part has broken during the cleaning process, and it was already broken, but I just made it a little bit worse. So I'm not sure will I be able to glue it down, or this is just a paint on top of plastic that has fallen off. And you can see this part is now clean, uh, and in the inside everything is clean. So before I add a phone to my collection, it must be at least cleaned with an alcohol, and so I did some disassembly, not full, but some of this phone. You can see there are some scratches that I can do anything about it. And let's quickly just power it on. I think this one is locked to Vodafone, yes, and it is asking for a SIM card. But yeah, well, okay. Okay, buttons are working, just checking. So that's for this video. Also, I wanted to ask all of you if you're maybe interested in a review of this phone. I was thinking to make a series where I would talk more about the phone and its features, its competitors, how well it went on the market. So, if you are interested in a content like that, for example, a retro review of this Motorola phone, be sure to let me know in the comments, and when I get some free time, I think I will maybe do it. But yes, this is all for this video. So enjoy the rest of your day.